Okay, thank you. Okay, so it is like 3 students and they got around 1,000, 5,000 and 10,000. So these 3 students got this much vote, 1,000, 5,000, 10,000. So they are asking what is the vote percentage of uh, winning student. So they are asking about percent. So for that you need to know what is, for which part they are asking about percent. So they are asking about part of winning student. So how much vote winning student got? 10,000. Okay.
10,000.
So part is 10,000. So we just need to convert this part into percentage. So as I told you, you just need to get the total. What is the total number of votes?
16,000.
16,000. You will just add all the votes and it will give you total votes. I think one of you have done mistake in this totaling only. So it's 16,000. So if you will just calculate, it will be around 10 upon 16 into 100. So just solve this. $62 point something.
Yes, sir. 62.5.
62.5. Okay. So Shravani ji, you got your mistake.
Yes, sir. Maybe calculation. Yes.
Okay, calculation. Okay, that's why I'm telling do calculation again and again. It's good to do mistake right now rather than having problem in exam. So again and again, do calculation on your own. Okay. Third question. What is the solution of third question? How much you get? What number you?
45.45%, sir.
54.
55 point.
45.45% I got.
45% approx.
45, yes, sir. 45 approx.
Okay. Any other solution? Anyone is not agree with this solution? Okay, everyone got the same number.
54.5.
44.5. Oh, I think then it's calculation error only. Okay, we will solve anyway. Just a minute. Okay. A batsman scored 110 runs, which include 3 boundaries and 8 sixes. 3 boundaries. So total, how much run he got with boundaries? 3 into 4. 1 boundary equal to 4 runs. So 12 runs he got from boundaries and 8 sixes. So how much run he got from sixes?
48.
48 runs. Okay. So what percentage of his total score did he make by running between the wicket? Okay, this much boundary he hit, and the rest of run he made by running between wickets. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it's around 50 run he made from boundaries and 60 run. No, 60 run he made from boundaries and 50 run he made running between the wickets. So the percentage would be 45, 40, related to 45, 44 only. So some calculation mistake is there, but the method is correct. Okay. Next question. Anyone is having doubt in this question? Some cricket
Sir, how did
terminology
we
was
arrive
there.
at Sir, how did we
How-
arrive at that 45%? Can you please tell, sir?
Okay. So in cricket, there are only two ways to score run. One is either you will hit a 4 or 6, or either you will run between wickets. Okay. So total run was 110. 4 and 6, he made 60 run by hitting 4 and 6. Okay.
Till here
So
I understood, sir.
remaining runs means 50 runs he scored running between the wickets. So you know the part, you know the this group, like 50 runs out of 110 he made running between the wicket. So part you know. Now you need to calculate percentage. So what is the formula of percentage? Percentage is part. You need to know the percentage of this part. So just write down this part into 100 on total. So total is 110. So if you will solve this, it is 500 on 11. It will be close to 45, 46, something like this.
Okay, thank you.
50 will not be completed, but close to 45, 46. Okay. Next question. Which year has maximum export? Again, one more thing you need to keep in your mind. If you are solving a DI question, now we are solving DI question directly. It's not one-liner question. So in DI question, the maximum time you should take in understanding the problem, in understanding the table. The guideline is very much important. Don't just skip the guideline and directly jump to question. This is not the right way. Just read the guidelines that are given with question, and sometimes some new formulas are there. Like they may ask you what is the export, what is the limited export. So all these formula they will provide you if they are asking some new things. So please read the guidelines. Like here it is written in the following table: total export and import of 5 countries over 4 years is given. Please open the table in your phone. Total export and import of 5 countries over 4 years is given. So these are 5 countries. Country is like, I will just open this table here only, just a minute. The screen is visible to you all.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the table. So here it is written, total export and import of 5 countries over 4 years is given. So these are the 5 countries. And this is import and this is export. And over 5 years, it is given. These are years. So we can say that without directly jumping to question, we can understand this table like this. This is country P and this is their import in year 2017. This is their export in year 2017. Same for country P. This is import for 2018. This is export for 2018. So what this value is telling you?
Export of S company in 2019. Sir.
It's export for country as for 2019. Okay, very good. So now if you will understand the table, the question are very much easy. Which year has the maximum export? So how you will calculate? Just add the export for all years, like add the export for all countries for 2017, add all these values, add all these values for 2018, similarly 2019, similarly 2020. So it's just addition. You just need to know what to add, but it's just basic addition. Only this type of question will be there in DI. So which year having maximum export?
2020.
2020.
2020.
2020, sir.
2020. Okay, very good. Next. Which year has the minimum average import? Minimum average import. So what is average
2018.
import? 2000? 2018. So how we will do that? Just first calculate average import for every year. You know how to calculate the average yesterday? We learned how to calculate average. So calculate average import. How to calculate average import for 2017? We
By
will add
adding
all
all
these values and then
Divide by
Hello.
5.
divide by
Number of the value.
divide number of values, divide by 5. Is it clear to everyone? Any question
sir.
you can ask. Which countries has the maximum percentage of profit increases from 2019 to 20? And this is the one of the complex question UGC can ask you. So how to calculate the profit? Export minus import. Now, I think some of you can have problem with this question. Any of you having problem, having doubt? Because this
No.
question, okay, none of you have problem with this question. Everyone done this?
Sir, I got on this answer is S. Is it correct or?
Answer is yes. Okay, let's first discuss the methodology. It's very good that all of you have completed this, but still let's discuss the methodology. So which country has maximum percentage of profit increase from 2019 to 2020? They are asking, like, out of these 5 countries, which country has maximum profit increase percentage? So for percentage increase, we are knowing the formula. First, let's make a single table here. And let's calculate the percentage. And we will just calculate percentage. Let's calculate the profit. And here we will calculate profit for 2019. And here we will calculate profit for 2020. Okay. So profit is export minus import. So 2019 export is 36, import is 28. So what is the profit here?
8, sir.
8. So this is profit. And for 2020, the profit is
Again, eight is.
again, no, for 2020,
10.
it's 10.
Sorry, 10. Okay.
Profit is 10. So in 2019, for country S, the profit was 8, and 2020, the profit was 10. So how to calculate the percentage increase? I always tell, yesterday I told you, if you are percentage increase or percentage decrease, so what you will write in numerator?
Difference.
Difference.
The difference between both the values, the difference is 2. Okay. And with which value you are comparing? So if it is a
29.
time series data, yes, if it is a time series data, if we are taking some time series data where time is a factor, the source of comparison is always past value. So 2019 will be source of comparison. We will write 8 here, just multiply it by 100. So it will be around
25.
25%. So percentage increase is 25% for country P, means the profit of country P increases by 25%. Similarly, you need to calculate for country Q, R, S, and T. So this is how you had to do this question. So which country you are getting maximum profit?
Yes.
Which country?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
S. Everyone is getting S.
Yes, sir, I got S, but I did source of country is 2020 I took. That EU.
Okay.
Even
Okay. So
that was
source of
country because
that.
I thought it is to 2019 to 20, right? So it is like comparison between 2020. I thought that's the reason I put source of
Okay.
source
So
of year is 2020.
okay. So by chance you got the right answer, but from
Yes,
now you always have to write the previous value, because comparison is always done on the basis of past value. Like if you are telling someone your height increases, your weight decreases, so with which value you are comparing? Their previous value, their past value. So if time series data is there, with blindly you can choose the previous value. So this is one of the complex problem of DI. All the problem will be very simple. One more thing, this PDF I shared with you, it's include almost 80 problems. So what problem we usually do in DI? We understood the concept, and we will be like, now we understood the concept, there is no problem of doing question. Now think how much time you are dedicating in teaching, how much time you are dedicating in research, how much time you are dedicating in environment for just do 5 questions in UGC NET exam. So in DI, in just 1 or 2 classes, you can get the concept, but you should dedicate some time in order to develop your understanding how to apply those concepts into problem. What people used to do, they will just understand the concept and they will not practice. Because of this, they will lose their marks in exam. It's if you are getting 2 marks from DI, if you are getting 2 marks from research, both are having value of 2 marks only. So DI is very scoring subject, very easy subject. Just don't ignore this. Try to solve as many problems as you can. 80 problems you need to solve. This PDF you all need to solve. Then you can say you will correct almost 4 to 5 questions in exam. And apart from this, if you are having any previous year paper, try to solve DI. You can ask if there is any problem. Concept are this much only. Only one concept is remaining, that is ratio and proportion. Remaining, there is no mathematical concept involved, no other formula involved, but they will just make the problem complex. And to understand that complexity, you need to do question as much as you can. Okay, so now let's understand the concept of this ratio and proportion.
Sir, is it better to finish the other questions and come back to this math, sir? Because otherwise, it will take little time for calculation, no, sir. Time.
Yeah. If you are talking about how you should attend the question paper, it can be subjective. Many people can have different advices, but as far as I was like, first you can solve the paper 2 in first 1 hour, 1 hour 15 minutes, 1 hour 30 minutes. You can solve all those 100 questions. Then you can come to paper 1. In paper 1 also, first you can solve all the subjective question, all the question in which there is no need of solving. And at the end, you should do these questions, because these questions will take your time. And if you don't have time, then in solving one question of DI, you can solve 1 or 2 question of research, 1 or 2 question of teaching. So from easy to tough, first solve paper 2 in 1 hour, try in 1 hour, try in 1 hour 15 minutes. If you are solving in 1 hour 15 minutes your paper 2, then you will get around 1 hour 45 minutes for your paper 1, and you can do it easily. If 1 hour 30 minutes also you are taking for paper 2, it's good that you have 1 hour 30 minutes for paper 1. But don't exceed this 1 hour 30 minutes for paper 2. We will talk about this when UGC NET exam will be closed. We will talk about all these things, like how to attend, how to leave question, how to mark. These all things we will talk. Okay. Next, ratio and proportion. So ratio and proportion, without going in the meaning of what is ratio, what is proportion. Ratio is, you will just write in this form, A ratio B. For example, marks of A got 10 marks, B got 15 marks. So what is A ratio B? A ratio B is like, first A is written here, just write 10. Then B is written after A. So the value which will be written afterwards, you need to write that value in denominator, 15. Just simplify this. It is 5 to the 10, 5 3 the 15, and write in this form only, 2 ratio 3. Very simple. Again, in a village, boys are 15, girls are 30, males are 45, females are 50. So what is the ratio of boys, ratio girl? Just write number of boys first, because boys is written first here. In denominator, girls is written afterwards, so it will come under denominator. What we will write in denominator?
30.
30.
sir.
Just solve this. It is 1 ratio 2. What will be the girls ratio boys?
2:1.
2 ratio 1. Very good. Last. Ratio of male, ratio female, ratio boy, ratio girl. So again, just write in same order as it is written here. Male 45. Upon what we will write?
50.
50. Very good. Upon 15, and in the end 30. Just simplify this. 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50, 5 3s are 15, 10. 9 ratio 10 ratio 3 ratio 10. Okay. I think some mistake we did. Boys 15,
9.
girls
9
30.
10:1.
Okay, 6. Sorry. It will be 6. 9 ratio 10 ratio 3 ratio 6. So understood the concept of ratio, how to write in the form of ratio. Any problem with this? Any doubt?
Sir, we can write 1:2 also, right?
1 ratio?
For 3:6, we can write 1:2 also, right?
No, this is what I want to say. Now see again. 45, 50, 15, 30. 50, 15, 30. If they are asking you boys ratio girl, then you can simplify this thing. But if they are asking you ratio for whole, then you have to simplify this whole. You cannot do like you will cut these two things and you will simplify these two things. If you are dividing these number by 5, then you have to divide all the numbers. If you are dividing by 2, you have to divide all the numbers because it is asking you ratio of every unit. So you cannot do like this. You will 15 1 15, 15 2 30, and remaining you will leave it same like this. If you are dividing with something, if you are simplifying it, do it for all values. Okay, like we did with 5. 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50, 5 3s are 15, and 5 6 are 30. Now see, if there is any number with which we can divide all these values. So is there any number? Check with 1,
No, sir.
2, 3,
No, sir.
4. There is no number, okay? So it is most simplified form. You cannot do like this 3 1 3, 3 2 6. If you are dividing with 3, then divide this also, divide this also. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, in simplification also, if a number is there, okay, this we will talk afterwards. Now let's come to this ratio and proportion only. Now this is how to calculate ratio if values are given to you. Okay, one more question we will do. 100 students are there, 40 are present. So calculate the ratio of present student, ratio of absent student. How much it will be?
40:60. 2:3, sir.
40 ratio 60. Very good. Now simplify it. Very good. 2:3. Okay. Now let's make it more complex. 100, 200 students are there. Is it too fast for anyone? Should I need to slow down? Okay. 200 students are there. 16 students are absent. Now, what is the ratio of present student to absent student?
Sir, 16%, na?
16% are absent.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 4:21.
So ratio
21.
21. Everyone got the same answer for ratio 21.
Yes, sir. 21:4.
4 ratio 21 and 21 ratio 4 is very different thing.
Ma'am, sir,
But
17
it's
is to
present.
50, I got.
Sir, it's present by absent, right, sir?
It's present ratio absent.
Sir,
Then
You
it's
can find
21:4.
21.
21. One different answer. One of you was giving 17 ratio. Please say again.
17 is to 50, sir.
17 ratio 15.
Sir, you said that 16% student are absent or present.
Absent, absent.
Okay, then sorry.
It's written here. No? Screen is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now.
Okay. Okay, maybe it's because of my handwriting then. 16% student are absent. So number of absent student, if you will calculate, it will be 32.
2.
Okay. So present student will be
168.
168. These are present students. So just present ratio absent you have to write. So what you will write first? 168 upon 32. Now simplify this. What you will do is, concept was correct, calculation
Your
correct.
voice is breaking. Sir, your voice is breaking.
Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, what is the answer, please?
Answer 21:4. So 4:21 is very wrong answer. Even your concept was correct, your calculation was correct, but you have to write in this form only. Okay. Now, last concept for this TI, if you are given with total, if you are given with ratio, how to calculate the actual number? You can write it together. For example, total number of students are 240. Ratio of boys and girls is 5 ratio. Ratio of boys and girls is 2:3. 240 students are there. Ratio of boys and girls is 2:3. Now you have to calculate number of boys and number of girls. So again, I am repeating, if you are given with total and ratio is there, so you have to calculate actual numbers. So how you will calculate? Now see here. How you will calculate? If you are calculating number of boys, so with boys, what value is written in place of boys here? Equivalent
sir.
of boys 2. Just write 2 here upon add these two numbers that are given in ratio. So 2 and 3, 5. Okay, and multiply by it total number of students. So it will be around
96.
96.
6 number of boys. So understood. Number of girls, how you will calculate? First, write the number which is equivalent to girls. So 3 upon total of the values that are given in ratios, it is 5. Similar, multiplied by 240. So by this you can do, or you can just minus this 96 from 240, you will get number of girls. Understood how to do?
Yes, sir.
Okay, one more example. Now, I think you understand why we are not writing this as 2:3, boys to girls, why we cannot write it as 3:2. Because this, the value that comes first is equivalent to first value of that is given in our ratio. That's why we cannot write it as 3:2. Okay, in a population of 1,000, ratio of boys ratio, girls ratio, men female is 2:3:4:1. Now calculate numbers for every community, every group.
Sir, I got the answer.
Yeah, number of boys,
200,
very good. Number of girls,
300,
male
400,
and female.
100.
Okay, everyone understood this?
Yes.
Now, I will tell you how UGC will make your problem complex. Same problem. 1,000. I'm repeating the same problem so that you can understand how UGC is making things complex, how they will make things complex, and a simple question will be like it's very tough question. Boys ratio, girls ratio, male ratio, female. Now, it's like same. I will write 2:3:4:1. Now, one more line they will add. If 48% of male are working, then calculate number of working males. You are given with a village is having population 1,000. Ratio of boy ratio, girl ratio, male ratio, female is 2:3:4:1. One other line is if 48% of male are working, calculate their number, calculate the number of working male. So they just added one more line and the question is now a little bit complex. So just try to solve, then I will tell.
92.
192, sir.
92
190.
192. Very good. So how you calculate? First calculate the total number of males. So total number of males, how you will get from here. Understood? From here you will get total number of males in that village. And in that males, total number of males, 48% are working. So you know the part, you know the total number of males, just calculate you know the percent, you know the total, just calculate the part. Is it clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Anyone is having doubt in this second line? So if you are not having any doubt, then you can easily do most of the DI question because most of the question will be like this only. Now let's come to question. So study the table given below and answer question 1 to 5. The table shows the population of 3 states over year 2002 to 2007. So here it is written population in lakhs. So this is population in lakhs of 3 states over the years 2002 to 2007. This is state A, this is state B, this is state C, and this is year. So what this value is indicating, what this 4.1 is indicating?
B
This
state
is
2006 populations.
population of state B in year 2006. I think everyone can read the table. If any doubt is there, you can still ask. So first question, what is the average population of state B for all the years together? So you have to calculate, this is state B, this is their population in 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, and 2007. So how you will calculate the average? Just add the population in all the years. It will be like 3.2 plus 3.6 plus 3.4 plus 3.8 plus 4.1 plus 4.4. Divide it by what number?
6.
6. So if you will do that, you will get the answer. Okay, now second question. What is the percentage increase in population of state A between 2002 to 2003? What is the percentage increase? So again, come to the table and every one of you try to solve this question. And I can ask anyone, everyone try to solve this. Even you are very much confident, like this is very easy question, still try to solve. Still try to get an answer. Just a minute. Screen is visible.
Now, yes, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
6.67, sir.
6.67. Everyone got the same answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Third question, what was the difference between combined population of all the 3 states from year 2004 to 2005? Read the question again. What was the difference between combined population of all the 3 states for the year 2004 to 2005? So here they are just asking for difference. So 2004, just add all the population of all the states, and similarly for 2005, just add the population of all the states. You will get the combined population in 2005, and similarly here you will get the combined population in 2004. Get the difference. Now solve this question.
C, sir, 1.1. 1000. C.
Okay. 1,10,000, 1,10,000. Everyone got the same answer? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sagar ji, you are also doing?
Doing
Okay. Same answer?
calculating.
Okay, calculate.
Sir, I'm not getting on.
Okay, you are having doubt in this. Okay. Okay, we will solve. Just a minute. Okay, now see here. They are asking about difference between combined population. Combined population of what? All the three states for year 2004 and 2005. The language you understood, combined population of all the three states for 2004 will be A, and combined population for all the three states for year 2005, let it be B, means addition of all these values. So they are asking about the difference. What is the difference between these combined population? So what is the combined population in 2004?
Sir,
Means 14.4.
14.4. Sakshi ji, you got till this?
Sir, 1.1 or 3?
Huh? 1.1
1.1.
1.1 is there, but check the options. Okay, for 2005, the population is
16.5.
16.5. So if you will go for the difference, it will be 1.1. But 1.1 what? That population is given you in lakhs. So convert this population, it is 1.1 lakh. And in the solution, they have not written lakh. They have written the normal values. So convert a value and this value 1.1 lakh in normal value. So 1 lakh contain 5 zeros. So just multiply this by 1 lakh. 1.1 into 1 lakh. So you will get 1,10,000. Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
If 3K is written, so you can also write it as 3 into 1000 because 1K means 1000. So it is 3000. If 2 million is written, so to remove this million sign, you have to multiply it by the same value 1 million contains. So 1 million is like 2 into 60 will be there. So it will be 2 followed by 60. Understood?
Sir,
Yes.
difference between 16.5 to 14.4 is 2.1, right?
It's 15.5. 15.5.
It's 15.5.
Yes, sir.
It's 15.5. Okay. Next question. What was the average population for all the three states in 2006? Now, here they are not asking in real values, the value in lakhs only. So here what you need to do, average population for all the states in 2006. Sorry. 2006. So how you will do?
Point 5.
Total by 3, sir, total.
Sir,
You will add
5.3.
population of all the states, 5.3. All the states in year 2006 and just divide it by 3. Now, what is the ratio between combined population of all the three states in 2004 and 2005? You can do this question also.
4 and 5 combined population. What is the ratio?
Okay, please mute yourself. Someone mic is on, please turn that mic off. Okay, what is the ratio between combined population? What they're asking, ratio of two values. So what two values? Combined population of all the three states in 2004 and 2005. So what they're asking, 2004 the combined population you have to add this, and 2005 the combined population you have to add this, and just calculate the ratio of these two values. Understood?
Yes, sir. It will come 144 and is to 155.
144 ratio 155. So B.
So, but how it will 144? It is 14.4, right? Is there any
It is
200?
It is 14.4 na? And
Yes, sir.
the value
15.5.
15.5. Now see, sometimes what they will do, 14.4 and 15.5. So to remove the decimal, they're multiplying it by 10. If an expression is in this form, A upon B, so you can divide these two number with the same number. If you are dividing with these two number with 2 only, then it will make no impact on this number. The value will be very much same. If you are multiplying with the same number, you are multiplying with 10 up and down, it will be again the same number. So what they did here, 14.4 multiplied by 10, 15.5 multiplied by 10. So it is 144 into 150, ratio 155. Understood?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. If a fraction is there, so this is a property of fraction. You can divide both the numbers in the fraction, numerator and denominator, means here A and B is there. You can divide with same number, and you can also multiply with same number for your comfort. And this property you can use. Just a minute. Like, this is very basic maths. I'm telling this so that there will be no difficulty while doing calculation. For example, you have to divide a number. You have to divide a number 345 by 0.005. You don't know how to calculate, how to divide with a decimal number. So what you will do, just multiply it by 1000. Up, down, multiply it by 1000. It will make no difference on this number. In a fraction, you are multiplying or dividing with same number, it will make no difference. So it will be 345 30 upon 5. So now you can solve easily. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, one more thing. This is also very basic. If a decimal number is there, or in case of decimal, if you are multiplying by 10, for example, 1.1, you are multiplying by 10. If we are multiplying with any number multiple of 10, it is 10, it is 100, it is 1000. So how much zero will be there? The decimal will move to right side. So it will be 11. And what if we will multiply 1.1 by 100? First,
Sir, are you
this,
presenting anything?
is it not visible? Okay,
No, sir.
sorry. Just a minute. Okay, DI we finished, and now we are just discussing some things in calculation, how you can make easy that those calculation which are a little bit tough. First, I was showing you how to deal with decimal. I know most of you are knowing, everyone will be knowing, but still, if someone is not knowing, we can uh, revise this. If a number is there, 1.1, and we are multiplying it by 10 or any multiple of 10, 10, 100,000, 10,000, then the decimal will move to right side and the number of zeros will be in this value. The much value it will move towards right side. For example, 10 is there, so it will move towards right side. It will be 11 point. So 11 point you can write as just 11. A number is there 1.23457. So after decimal, these much digits are there. If you are multiplying it by 100, so 2 zeros are there in 100. So it will move towards right side with after crossing digits. So it is here. So these 20 will take this 2-digit right side. So it will be 123.45. So this is how we multiply, how we can remove decimal, or how if you multiplying a decimal number with 10 or multiple of 10, this is how it happens. I'm teaching this because in last batch some of students are having problem with this. So if we are having problem with this, then there is no use of understanding those concepts, because these things will come again and again in question. So this is for multiplication. One more thing, 1.1 multiplied by 100. So this 10 will move the decimal towards right side. Now it's 11 and there is no digit after this 1. So what it will do, it will just add the 0 after this 11. It will be 110. Is it clear? Anyone is having doubt in this multiplication of 10 to decimal number? Is it clear?
Clear,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. Similar thing happens with division. For example, 1.347, and you are again dividing this number with 10 or 100 or any multiple of 10. So it will move towards left side. Left side it will move. So 2 zeros are there. 1 is all, one digit is already there. First, if it will move to this point, then the remaining value will be fulfilled by writing a 0. So it will be 0.01347. This is how you do division. So I was teaching you how to simplify things. Like for example, 247, and you need to divide with 0.005. So it's very difficult if you are directly dividing with 0.005. Just make it in a whole number. So I told you you can multiply with same number up and down. How you will multiply? With which number you will multiply to keep this 5 out of this decimal?
1,000.
1000. 3 digits are there, 5 need to come this side, or decimal needs to come after 5, then it will be a non-decimal number. So 3 digits are there, you will multiply by 1000, and as I told you, if you are multiplying the numerator or denominator with a number, just multiply the other value also with same number. So it is 247,000 divided by 5. Now it's very easy calculation, you can do. 5 4 20, 4 7. 45 20 49400. So you can make your calculation very easy. Again, one more tip I will share, like while doing question, if some things will appear, I will share. These all things, last batch students were having problem in all these things. So I am just repeating these things with you. If we can say if calculation is there, like 484 multiplied by 16 upon 100 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 14. If you want to simplify this, never do the multiplication part first. If you multiply 484 by 16 and you will multiply this number, and if you are getting some number, then you are making your calculation more complex. First, try to do the division, or you can break the number as for your comfort. As in place of 100, we can write 25 into 4. Now you can easily cut this 4, 4 on the 4, 4 4 the 16, 4 on the 4, 4 5 the 20. So don't just first multiply, first check, is there any possibility of division? Can we just change the number into two numbers? So all these things you need to keep in mind to make your calculation easy, because now you are understanding whole formula. Now if you will do all the questions, you will understand how the formula are being applied to various questions, but the one part is remaining, that is calculation, and that too in UGC NET there is not very much time, so you need to make your calculation fast, and it's very worth it if you are just giving some time to DI. If you are just doing at least one question daily, or like this, if you are just dedicating some time to DI, it is worth giving, because it will give you 10 marks directly. Okay, so for today we will stop here. Try to solve all the 80 questions. We will meet after some time, after some days. How much time you need to solve all those 80 questions? How much time will be? 3 days, very fast. Okay. So
Sir,
you will,
sir,
yes.
is it allow calculator for the exam?
No, calculator is not allowed. That's what I was telling.
Okay, sir.
Calculate on your own.
But in
Face,
banking exam, they are allowing calculator.
in which exam?
Banking exam. In banking.
Banking exam calculator may be allowed, but UGC NET, it's not there. So do calculation on your own. Face some challenges while doing calculation, so that you will be out of those challenges and you will do good in exam. Okay, so 3 days, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. The next 3 days we will do reasoning part. So 3 days I am giving you, or let it be 10 days. Next 3 days, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, we will be doing reasoning part. That is important for UGC NET exam. And after that, you will have whole 1 week. I will give you some reasoning question, and these 80 DI question you have now 10 days. So try to solve all these questions. If you are just taking one problem daily, you are doing 5 questions. So 10 days will be enough for doing these 80 questions. One more thing, if you will just go through the PDF, one pie chart will be there. Pie chart means a circle will be there. Inside that circle, some numbers will be written. Now UGC is not asking any question on pie chart. It's been 5 or 6 years. There is no question on pie chart. So please ignore that pie chart question. Remaining all the question you need to solve. Okay, now we will meet tomorrow on same time 11, and we'll do some reasoning part. Friday, Saturday and Sunday. It's done for today. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.